A wonderful morning to everyone present here. It has been some time we are fighting the dreaded COVID 19. For now, most of the countries are racing for the vaccine to aid the mankind. Let's be optimistic and look forward for a better tomorrow. During these pandemic days, all of us have been through lockdowns. One of the most valued learning has been about the importance of social distancing and staying in connect with the world and the loved ones virtually. On the similar concept, Gurukul High School has realized the importance of technology and is using the Zoom platform to connect and educate our students with the best of our abilities. We have stood with you all this while, and we promise to strengthen your formative years with the valued education and discipline by shaping your tomorrow and leveraging you with the best. Once again from Gurukul High School, I, Saida Nazia, welcome you all for our Investiture Ceremony 2020-21. The term investiture hovers around many touch points. For the decades, people have been debating over the term leaders. For some people, believe leaders are born, while others say leaders are made. At Gurukul, we believe everyone is a born leader. With opportunities and exposure, we may leverage the best of everyone's ability. Our young leaders are the future of tomorrow. They are a leap of faith and the key to success, bettering our nation. To welcome all of you for this ceremony, I invite Anthony to render a welcome speech.
A loving words of hearty welcome from the heart is the sweetest of all things in life. A smile that radiates love to all the people around makes everyone happy. With hearts full of love and happiness, we would like to garland you with sweet loving words of welcome by Anthony of Class 8th.
Hi, we Anthony. Welcome everyone to this English Teacher Ceremony 2020 and 21. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other as quoted by our great leader John F. Kennedy. It's being implemented by our leader, mother and guide, our beloved principal Gauri ma'am. I take pride in extending a warm welcome to our special virtual English Teacher Ceremony. This academic year presented us with a unique new challenges owing to the widespread COVID-19 pandemic.
ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿಸಿಲೋ ಕುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನೋ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನೋ ಆ ದೇವರಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನೋ ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ
To begin today's English
ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
Teacher Ceremony, may I invite
ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ದಯಾಗಿಳಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡು ಪದ ಪಗಲಾಡು ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿಸಿದು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು ಆ ದೇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾದಾಂತರಂಗ ತಾನೆ ನಾದ ಭೂಮಿ ತಂತಾನೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಪಾತ್ರನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೀವಂತಿಸಿ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ.
We now have our young and the energetic leader on the Zoom platform to pledge their oath at the commencement of the Invest Teacher Ceremony 2020. May I now request our beloved parents to honor them with the pinning of the badges.
A very warm welcome to everyone. Myself, Muhammad Afreed. I heartily welcome you all to the most auspicious occasion of our school, the Invest Teacher Ceremony. The Invest Teacher Ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities. A million thanks to everyone who has joined us on the most auspicious ceremony of our school. My dear Gurukulites, it brings me immense pleasure in welcoming you all. Let our dreams follow our heart. Opportunity is calling to seek new challenges and make efforts to make our dreams come true. I, Muhammad Afreed, pledge that I will represent and serve my Gurukulites and set an example in all aspects of school life. I uphold all the school's golden rules and expectations. I encourage all the students to follow the school's golden rules and expectations. I am heartily thankful to our principal, my dear teachers, and my dearest friends who supported me.
Congrats. Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. As you all know, I am here today because of you. You all selected me as our school captain. I am privileged to be our school captain and lead our school for the 25th year. I am thankful for my friends who supported me and trusted me. I would like to also thank my dear teachers who thought I am eligible for this post. I assure you that I will stand up to your expectations. As I am the school captain, I would like to share a few ideas. Due to the corona pandemic, we all are missing out classes, functions, programs, activities and many more. I will try my level best to keep you entertained with the help of my teachers. I will also follow all the 7 golden rules of our school. I will take your ideas into consideration. I will be a good role model for my fellow juniors and be a disciplined and a jovial school captain. Let us all work together and make our school feel proud wearing the Gurukul logo on our uniforms. Thank you teachers, thank you friends.
My name is Shashank N from class 9 intern. I am happy to share that I have been selected as a school vice captain for the academic year 2020 and 21. Thanks to all who have bestowed this responsibility to me. In my new role, I will be the sub-head of the student council and be responsible for maintaining discipline and assign duties as prescribed by the school policies. I will leave no stone unturned to bring glory and laurels to my school. Thank you.
Good day to everyone. I am K.S. Girvani of class 9 Einstein. Today I shall stand in front of you with great reverence and gratitude to my teachers and the student community holding the responsibility of school vice captain for the academic year of 2020-21. I assure you that I will put my best foot forward and take the student community to excel in the activities conducted by the school. Together we will make a better tomorrow. I will walk along with you and ensure that the flag of Gurukul flies high. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
Good morning all, myself Saishwar MR. First I would like to thank everyone for electing me as a school sports captain. I am so grateful to you all. I would love to represent my school and its great values. I have been immersed in school sports programs since many years. I would like to share some points on which I want to work on. Ensuring players to think together, to be together, together we succeed. Generating team spirit and respect for all the players. I will ensure that sports equipments are in reach to everyone. I would be proactive in all the playground issues and you are always welcome to bring your suggestions and problems to me so that I can take the issue to the concerned teacher. I would love to increase my school prestige in inter-school competitions once school started. I am deeply involved in sports and assure you that I would empower sportsmanship. I wish everyone to stay safe and to be fit. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. I, Mithila N. Gangadkar, is a school sports captain girls for the year 2021. It's an honor to be a part of student council. Taking part in sports is best way to develop our skills. It is an honor to be a sports captain in Gurukul High School. At the end of the day, Muhammad Ali says, champions aren't made in the gym. Champions are made something they have deep inside of them. A desire, a dream, a vision. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akashish from 9th standard. I stand here before you to discuss my role and responsibility as sports vice captain. Being a sports vice captain, I have the ability to handle the conflicts that invariably arise when a team is under pressure. I help my team to plan good strategies to win every game. I learn and teach a thorough knowledge of rules of the game to my team. Definitely, I will inspire and motivate my Gurukul team to bring success. I will prove myself as the best sports vice captain in the year 2020-21. Thank you, my teachers, for providing this great opportunity.
Good morning to everyone. It brings me great honor to introduce myself as Sports Vice Captain for the academic year 2020-21. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, right and dignity. Sports provide us to develop our teamwork and leadership skills. The role of Sports Vice Captain is to assist the captain in taking decisions and building strategies and supporting the captain throughout the game. Myself, Nandita Reddy, as Sports Vice Captain, will take up these responsibilities like generating team spirit and respect for all players and being proactive in playground issues and being supportive, caring and fair attitude and encouraging the players to cooperate with each other, to think together and to be together as proud representatives of a Gurukul High School. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sujan S. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. There is no magic wand that can resolve our problems. The solution rests with our work and discipline. Discipline is not just that is to be maintained in school. We should have discipline in our life. Wherever we go, no one checks our beauty or honor. Everyone checks our discipline within us. By our discipline, people come to know that which society we are from. So, discipline is important in our life. Thank you.
All present here. I, Shariti Satish of Class 10, is the School Discipline Campaign Girls for the academic year 2020-21. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of Student Council. Discipline is something that keeps every person in control. It motivates a person to progress in his life. Without discipline, the life of an individual will become dull and inactive. The discipline makes things easy for you to handle. It ultimately brings success to your life. Discipline brings stability and structure to a person's life. It promotes good human behavior to a better society and make it a more enjoyable place to live in.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and friends. I am Kushal, studying in 9th standard, selected as Discipline Vice Captain. I am very proud to stand in front of you all. I am thankful to everyone who understood my caliber. Discipline is not just which is to be maintained in the school, but also have to be maintained in all walks of our life. Discipline makes a man great and respectable in the society. I promise that I will try to maintain discipline in the school, and I will take our school to a new height. Thank you.
Hi, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my friends. I am Tejaswini Yadav of Class 9th Standard, selected as Discipline Vice Captain of our school. I would like to thank one and all who have supported me. To be disciplined is not an extraordinary work. It simply means that to be a good student, to wear good uniform, and to comb hairs properly, and listen the guidelines of our elders, and to respect one and all. As you grow, you will see that nobody will imply strict discipline in your life. It just means that you have to imply your discipline in your life. In the end, I'm requesting one and all to adopt self-discipline and self-control in your life and become the brightest and shining student of our school, which will bring pride to everyone. Thank you.
Our culture, our tradition, our language are the foundation upon which we build our identity. So my name is Kishan. I am elected as cultural captain. Standing here, I cannot put into the words the happiness, pride and honor that I feel to be the cultural captain of Gurukul High School for this academic year. I had here to promote and support the students in all the cultural activities conducted by the school, and I believe in bringing out the hidden talents in the students by giving them a stage to perform. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sajda. It's an honor to be awarded the role of cultural captain for this academic year. Perhaps our school steps into 25th year. It's a great privilege to say this. As a leader, this year I'm aiming to introduce a lot of new activities and events, hopefully that will interest everyone. I would absolutely love to leave Gurukul knowing successfully left my cultural footprints and to be proud of my all achievements I have accomplished.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Akash BR. I am joyful to say that I have been selected as the Cultural Vice Captain for this academic year 2021. I heartily thank to everyone who have voted me. I shall strive to make sure that every student gets a chance to participate in the cultural program. If you have any queries regarding with the cultural program, I urge you to come with it. I promise to uphold all the responsibilities assigned to me. Thank you. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. I'm Chinmay Shetty. I'm overjoyed that I've been selected as the School Culture Vice Captain for the academic year 2020-21. I shall give my heartfelt thanks to everyone who has voted for me. As I said in the campaign, I shall strive to make sure that each and every child gets a chance to participate in the culture program. If you have any queries regarding cultural program, I urge you to come to me with it. I promise that I uphold all the responsibilities assigned to me. Thank you.
A wonderful morning to everyone present here. I am Chaya S. Udupa of grade 10, feeling extremely thrilled to be the student co-editor of our school magazine Parigna for the academic year 2020-21. It is aptly said that the flower makes no garland. Similarly, our magazine is not an outcome of an individual, but it is the compilation of immense effort put forward by our invisible Gurukulites and its specimen of their creativity. So it's my humble request to all my Gurukulites to send all your informative and inspirational articles, poetry, riddles, paintings to thrill our wide range of readers. I am always with you to listen your ideas and suggestions in order to accomplish our goal. Let us plan togetherly all strategies to promote creativity of the young minds. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant morning to everyone present over here. I am Mahima Satish from grade 10 Lux, incredibly honored today to be the school editor of our school magazine Parigna for this academic year 2020-21. As an editor, I would ignite a unique spark in the young minds that enable them to roam free in the realm of imagination and experience to create a world of beautiful words. I am much grateful for this opportunity and promise to work harder to present a more stimulating, fruitful and enlightful work. Thank you.
Good morning to respected Principal Madam, beloved teachers and dear friends. Myself of Nitin class 10th is been selected as NEMO's captain. I hope that I can influence and inspire my friends and juniors to be enthusiastic, vibrant and helpful. Clean India, beautiful India is the motto of our NEMOs.
Good morning to respected Principal Madam, beloved teachers and dear friends. I, Lavanya of Standard 10th, is honored as NEMO's captain. I would love to be a role model in terms of attitude, attendance, behavior and manners to all the house members. As our NEMO's responsibility is taking care of Swachha, it will promote this cause to keep our school clean and tidy.
Good morning to respective principal ma'am, teachers and dear my friends. I am Lakshmi Anna from 9th standard, elected as Neem House Vice Captain. I am glad and at the same time eager to perform. I am supportive, responsible and caring to all my house members. Leadership and learning goes hand in hand with each other. I will follow the rules and regulations of my school. Our Neem House motto is Swachha. Swachha is the hallmark of perfect standard of living and helps maintain a healthy life. I will take care and to keep my school premises clean and safe. Thank you.
Morning everyone. I, Sania Banu from class 9th, have been chosen as Neem House Vice Captain. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. I am approachable and everyone are welcome to come up to me and talk. I aspire to build positive relationship within our school and among all the students. A clean place is a safe place. Swachha and good sanitation in our school is a matter of high importance. I will try my best level to keep our school premises pure and clean. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. My name is Prajwal RL. I am studying in class 10. As a Banyan House captain, I have many responsibilities to take over. I would like to say some words on discipline. Discipline is a very important and essential aspect in everyone's life. If you want to achieve anything, you should be disciplined in every aspect. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Alia Kausar. I am studying in class 10th. I belong to the Banyan House, which is going to take the opportunity of discipline. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Discipline is essential part of our life. As we know, if we want to achieve anything in our life, we need to be disciplined in every aspect. So from today, we will be working on discipline and we will make sure that everyone will be disciplined. Thank you.
My name is Mahesh Babu. I am studying in 9th standard. I belong to Banyan House, which is going to take the opportunity of discipline. An essential part of life is discipline.
Good morning everyone. I am Rekha from class 9 Einstein. I am the vice captain of Banyan House.
Discipline is an act of rules and regulations which must be followed by everyone. A well-disciplined people perform their activities in the right way and in the given time. If we are disciplined and dedicated, we can achieve our goals successfully. I am grateful to my teachers, parents, classmates, and everyone for listening to my words. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram.
And pleasant morning to everyone present over here. I am Shiraj from grade 10th, extremely honored today to be the captain of People House for the academic year 2020-21. First of all, let me thank all my friends for entrusting the captaincy to me, and I promise to represent the People House with much integrity and honesty. This year, we got a fabulous opportunity to serve our community and become an active member of our community. Community service is a great way to help others, and it can also help us to gain skills and experience. I will always try my best in solving problems, helping out whenever needed, and would hear all suggestions and ideas you all share. Let us make difference in society and create a better place to live for all. Thank you.
Warm morning to everyone present over here. I am extremely excited to be honored as the captain of People House. I promise I would be trustworthy and responsible person and dedicate my time in serving the progress of our school. For the academic year 2020-21, we the People House have chosen community service as our prime responsibility. So I appeal to all the members of my house to contribute one's time to help others and make a difference in society. To achieve our goals, let us unitedly plan, put effort, work hand in hand and shoulder to shoulder. Thank you.
A pleasant morning to each one of you. I, Tarun of 9th Standard, take privilege to speak to you all as the Vice Captain of People House. I will serve as a positive role model, leader and voice for the students of People House. I will uphold, promote and support the ideas, activities and service that People House takes up for the academic year 2020 and 21. I will promise to create team spirit within my school with all your support. Thank you.
A very good morning everyone. I hope that each one of you are safe at home. I, Tejaswini of 9th Standard, have been chosen as the Vice Captain of People House. I promise to always be enthusiastic and carry a positive attitude about all the activities that the People House undertakes for the year 2020-21. I will not only respect others' ideas but also see to it that the work is complete on time by the support of all my house members. Thank you.
Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. A warm and joyful morning to everyone. My name is Kishore, studying in class 10. It is a privilege for me to be the host captain of Honge House for the academic year 2020 and 21. For this academic year, we the Honge has taken the initiative to improve and build effective communication skills in our campus as it plays a major role in 21st era. I take this as challenge and make sure that I will work in a collaboration with each one of you to achieve the goal for the best for our school. Thank you.
My name is Amrin and I am studying in class 10th Lakshaya. I am extremely happy and delighted to be elected as the house captain of Honge House. Being elected as the house captain of the year 2020 to 2021, I take this as a great opportunity to inculcate values, discipline and harmony in lives of others, an opportunity to lead by example. I would like to thank my management, principal, teachers and schoolmates, those who believed in me and my abilities to lead Honge House for this academic year. As a leader, I pledge that I will always listen to my classmates' ideas and opinions and suggestions in order to accomplish our goal to emphasize effective communication skill in our campus. Let's take our school to greater heights of success. We will travel this road together and work in unison. Thank you.
I am extremely excited and honored to be here as Vice Captain of Honge House. I strongly believe that the role of Vice Captain is more than just a title for me, and it's a great opportunity to serve my Honge House and also make positive impact on my schoolmates. I promise to work hard to be very effective leader by abiding all the rules of our school and become a role model that you can all look up to.
A great morning to everyone present here. I am baby of class 9, feeling extremely happy to be represented as Honge as Vice Captain. At first, I would like to thank my team members who ignited leadership fire in me. This year, we have set a goal towards communication skills. Communication skills is an investment of time that will definitely pay off at every walk of life. I promise that I would be an effective leader that you would feel proud of. As a good leader, I will listen to my teammates' suggestions and ideas in order to accomplish our goals.
A very good morning to all of you. I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity that I have received to be the my captain for the academic year 2022-21. I extend my sincere thanks to my management, my principal, my beloved teachers, and my school classmates who inculcated such capability in my. I take the oath. I will honestly discharge my duties and responsibility given to me. Thank you.
I solemnly swear
I solemnly swear
that I will
that I will
execute
execute
the position of
the position of
Student Council
Student Council
Representative
representative
and will do to the best of my ability
and will do to the best of my ability
to uphold, promote, and support
to uphold, promote, and support
ideas, activities, and constitution
ideas, activities, and constitution
of the Gurukul High School Council.
of the Gurukul High School Council.
I promise I will serve my fellow students
I promise I will serve my fellow students
and school sincerely.
and school sincerely.
I will actively take part
I will actively take part
in the school activities
in the school activities
and endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline.
perfect role model of discipline.
I vow that
I vow that
I will do my best to maintain
I will do my best to maintain
discipline among students
discipline among students
and carry out all the duties
and carry out all the duties
entrusted to me.
entrusted to me.
Thank you.
Dearest children of Gurukul, a warm and bright good morning to all of you. Hope you're all keeping well in body, mind, and spirit. This is very important in these difficult times of school lockdown and social isolation. It has been a really unusual year and disturbing school year for all of us, but the only comfort is that schools and children all over the world are also experiencing the same. We are, however, trying our best to maintain normalcy by continuing with classes and activities online in which we see that all of you are participating well. That is the spirit, the ability to adapt to new normals, the ability to adapt to change. Today's investiture ceremony is also different, and you all have adapted well to it. Congratulations to the new leaders. You have earned your positions by popular vote and should be proud of it. Of course, with positions of leadership comes the responsibility to help, to guide, to motivate, and to be an inspiration to your friends and fellow students of the school, to your teachers and to your parents. Leadership should not just be a title. It should be action and behavior which is lived and demonstrated. We look forward to seeing each one of you grow and shine in your role as leaders. Wishing you all an interesting, though an unusual, academic year. Thank you.
Leaders translate dreams into reality, vision into action. Leaders to lead us, guide us, to inspire us, and leaders who make our school proud. Here we have Chitra Shri of class 10th to speak about the same.
The investiture ceremony held at the Gurukul High School of Student Council for the year 2020-21. Due to the pandemic occurring worldwide, our spirit has not gone down. Online election was held. Virtually all students of Gurukul had voted in on-screen and we had a great experience by using technology. We are accessible to vote by online. Members of the student council appointed through a rigorous process of nomination. The investiture ceremony held at the Gurukul High School of Student Council for the year 2020-21. Due to the pandemic occurring worldwide, our spirit has not gone down. Online election was held. Virtually all students of Gurukul had voted in on-screen and we had a great experience by using technology. We are accessible to vote by online. Members of the student council appointed through a rigorous process of nomination that leaders are not born, they are made. For those of you who do not know what is an investiture ceremony, it means the investiture ceremony is an official celebration of a person's installation to this authority, power, right and office, and one of the most awaited celebration at Gurukul High School. Generally, the event is either held during the authorized person's first year in office or at the end of the first year. Moreover, the investiture ceremony is an academic ceremony that has been symbolized the pursuit of knowledge and knowledge starting since the Middle Ages. Therefore, universities, schools and colleagues take this as an opportunity to welcome and celebrate a new era of progress. Together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Gurukul High School believes that leader is a person who motivates others towards a common goal, leading the way by example and creating an environment which other than members feel actually involved in the entire process. Thank you.
Good morning, honorable dignitary, principal, teachers, admin staff and support staff. It is our privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Gurukul High School Student Council 2019-20 on this significant day. Our sincere thanks to Mrs. Gauri Prabha, who continued to inspire us to come with zeal and dedication. Behind every successful program lies the manifold efforts of our committed faculty. Every year we had this investiture ceremony arranged at our school premises, but this year it's completely different because of this coronavirus pandemic. We would like to thank all our teachers, students and parents for their hard efforts of making this virtual investiture ceremony a grand success. I would also like to take a moment to thank the support staff of the school for their immense contribution to the development of this institution. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parents. Where we stand today is a combination of hard work and effort, and we know that we can go further with renewed confidence that you all be there to celebrate our victories. I would like to end my speech with a quote. When we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply utter words, but live by them. We once again thank you all for supporting in making this virtual celebration a grand success. Thank you.